How to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open google.com and search for Facebook. Log into your account. Then click on the search bar at the top left corner of your screen. In the search bar, simply search the friend you want to search. After you've typed in the username of your friend, simply click on your profile. After you've clicked on their profile, and if you don't find any posts, that means they have blocked you. While you scroll to their profile, you would find no post. Another way what you can do is go back to the home page of Facebook. Click on what's on your mind. After you clicked on what's on your mind, at the bottom, you will find tag friends option. In here, simply tag the friend you want to search. If their name does not pop up, that means they have blocked you. Another way what you can do is go back to Facebook homepage. On the left side, scroll down and search for event. After you search for event, click on event. Then click on create new event on the left side. After you've clicked on create new event, in here, scroll down, add your event name, everything, and then in add co-host, simply type in the username of your friend, and if you don't find them here, they have blocked you. This is how to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.